While mothers shower kids with love, fathers are expected to protect their children. Here's a story about a father who did something he was not expected to.
Protector turns predator. A 13-year-old mentally challenged girl was repeatedly raped for the last 3 months. And the monster who has been committing this heinous crime is none other than the girl's father. Meet the monstrous father Shanmuga, a resident of Oaklipuram. Visually impaired in one eye, he has been raping his mentally challenged 13-year-old daughter for 3 months now. Shanmuga would arrive in an inebriated state and would rape the innocent girl every day after the mother would go out for work. The girl even in the past has complained of her father's dastardly act, but the mother refused to believe it since she never thought that her father could do this to his daughter. 2 days back, when victim's mother returned home early, she realized that there was truth in what her daughter has been telling her all this while. Sri Rampura police have arrested Shanmuga. A case under POCSO has been registered against him. Vishnu Prasad for News 9, Bengaluru.
And the terrible Thursday that it was today did not just end with the rape of a mentally challenged minor girl. 3 men gang raped a 23-year-old woman from Bihar in Tavarikere.
Bengaluru can no more be given the tag of a safe city. Here's another incident that has shamed Namma city. 8 p.m. 20th August 2014. A girl was heading home after a hectic day at work. She was struggling to find an auto rickshaw. 2 men who saw this decided to use the opportunity. They offered to drop the girl. Already worried over not having found an auto, the girl agreed to the offer. But she did not have the slightest clue that the men who offered to drop her were monsters. The men take the girl to a farmhouse. They rape the girl. The girl was directly taken to a farmhouse on Margadi Road. Here the 2 first consumed alcohol and then went ahead with their plan of raping the victim. First, to begin the disgusting act. Then the third one joins. Like the monsters did not have enough, they even involved the farmhouse caretaker Mahadev too in the cruel act. They encouraged him to join them. Who are the 2 men? The 2 men in the car have been identified as Arun Kumar and his close aide Kempa. Arun Kumar is reportedly KMF director Narasimha Murthy's son and Kempa his close associate. How did the victim escape? The men who were in an inebriated state dozed off after the rape. It was at this juncture that the victim managed to escape. The victim managed to run to the nearby main road where she was helped by a cab driver. The cab driver took her to Tavarikere police station.
ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಕೂಡ ದಾಖಲು ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ರೇಪ್ದು 376D ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ತನಿಖೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಅರುಣ್ ಗೌಡ ಈ ರೀತಿಯನ್ನ ಘಟನೆಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ವಿಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ.
Sub-Inspector Jagadish took the complaint and sent the victim for a medical examination. Without wasting time, the sub-inspector rushed to the farmhouse and arrested the caretaker Mahadev. Arun Kumar and his friend Kempa were arrested later. The car that was used by the rapist, bearing registration number KA42 M3624, has been seized by the Tavarikere police. The cops have not been able to record the statement from the victim since she is in a state of deep shock. The investigations will proceed once the victim gives the police a statement. Nagendra for News 9, Bengaluru.
So what do you do when you have been molested, sexually harassed or even raped? You go to the police, don't you? But if you have policemen like these, there is no need for any criminals.
The lady you see on the screen is in distress. She has been exploited by men not once but twice. Once by her husband and later by the person who entered her life promising her a good job and better life. Police turns pervert. The victim, who works as a reporter with a Kannada periodical, has been living alone after she got separated from her husband a few years back. She is now alleging that Ravi Kumar, a police head constable with Upparpet police station, has cheated her by promising to marry her and get her a good job. According to the victim, he approached her calling himself a police inspector. He would tell her that he was not happy with his wife and was seeking a good companion and found a soulmate in the victim. She alleges that Ravi even promised to get married to her. The victim trusted him and even started living with Ravi. Soon the relationship turned physical, and when Ravi Kumar realized that the victim was 2 months pregnant, he decided to break all ties with her and vanish from the scene.
ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ವೈಫಿಂದ ಲೀಗಲಾಗಿ 7 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೈಫ್ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಮಾರ್ಚಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್. ಸುಮಾರು 1 ಮಂತ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ನನಗೆ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋದ್ರು. ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಬನ್ನಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋದ್ರು, ಸಿಗಂದೂರು ಚೌಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ IBಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿ. 1ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ನೈಟ್ 11:30 ಆಯಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನೇ ಅವತ್ತೇ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ದೈವಿಕವಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು.
Whenever the victim would call, Ravi would threaten her of dire consequences. He even threatened to eliminate her and her daughter. The victim has filed a complaint with the Assistant Commissioner of Police of North East Division. She has also stated that Ravi's colleagues too have threatened her on several occasions.
ಇವರು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 3 ದಿವಸದ ಹಿಂದೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಚೇರಿಗೆ ಹುಡುಕೊಂಬಂದು ಸ್ಪಂದನ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೂರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಥರ ನನಗೆ ನಂಬಿಸಿ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ದೈಹಿಕವಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಇದೆ, ಕೊಲೆ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾನೂನು ಹೋರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
The accused police constable has been absconding right after the complaint was filed. The cops are now trying to nab the accused at the earliest. Vishnu Prasad for News 9, Bengaluru.